Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with another video, and in this video we are going to insert the SIM and micro SD card inside the Galaxy A72, which is going to be pretty amazing device. I have made the unboxing and some other cool videos regarding the A72, A52 and A32 devices and some of other bunch stuff on my channel. Do check those videos as well. Their links are in the description. Also, today's video will be giving you a pretty much good detail how you can insert the SIM and micro SD card properly in your device. So first of all, we have to locate where is going to be the SIM tray. It's not on the right side, not on the left side, and it's going to be available on the top side, on the top left side of the Samsung Galaxy A72 device. So first of all, we need a SIM ejector tool, which is going to pull out the SIM tray from the tray panel, and we will check out how many SIM we can insert, or either it's going to be dual SIM or single SIM slot. So just press that up and the SIM has been ejected. So basically we have a dual SIM slot, you can say a hybrid SIM slot present inside the Galaxy A72, and it's going to be coming with one SIM and one micro SD card, or you can make a dual SIM inside that particular device. Also, do keep in note that there is going to be a great you can say rubber coating here, which means that this device is IP67 rating, so that is going to be absolutely great option we have. So I'm going to insert one SIM and micro SD card inside and let you know how to insert properly. Basically, the quality is a little bit on the cheaper side. As you guys already know, this is going to be a device in terms of mid-range category, so it's cheaper material has been used in the SIM tray. Anyhow, you just need to pull a mini SIM inside that slot, which is available here, and if you want to use the dual SIM, you just need to put that SIM inside that slot and dual SIM will be working pretty fine. So anyhow, I'm putting in the same situation SIM slot 1, and I am putting the micro SD card in the other slot, and as you can see here, it's easily inserted inside. You can insert any kind of micro SD card of up to 1 TB. It can support that as well. So I'm going to insert that SIM inside the slot, and it has easily inserted in. So let's check out whether that has been inside the device or not. So open up your settings and search for storage option, and you will go towards the storage option, and here you will find out the internal storage, and the micro SD card storage has been available here, which means that the SD card is properly inserted inside the device. So that is going to be great. Whereas the other situation, the SIM is already been inserted inside the device, and we have to check out in the SIM card manager. Yeah, the SIM has been inserted inside the device, which is looking great. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. Do consider subscribing my channel for daily tech video, for some amazing content which I have planned for this month. Thanks for watching this video.